Alright, we are at the Wingate International over here by the airport. And we got an accessible room so I could get my cart in here. And, well, just makes it easier on the showers too for me. I don't kill myself. This is the bathroom. Not bad, it's good enough. We're not paying for this. This is covered under our points.
15.
It cost us 15,000 points. And there are several restaurants around here. Chili's, Denny's, and a couple other ones I'm not familiar with.
Longhorn Steakhouse.
Longhorn Steakhouse is here.
There's a
We
market.
put our luggage right here. Then you got this safe right here. Little area right here. You got your refrigerator. You got a microwave, and that's pretty neat. And you got a coffee pot with cabinets up here. You got a full-length mirror. You got a chair to sit in, right next to a lamp. Two nice pictures. The bed is nice. It's a king-size bed. It's gonna be nice to sleep in a king-size bed. Another mirror. My cart, I was able to back it up in there. Mirror. Nice size TV. Dresser drawers. And what do we have here? We have a table and a desk with chairs. How about that, guys? 15,000 points for Wingate. Puts us right here. So all in all, Diane and I did not pay one single penny. We used all points for all of our hotel stays. How about that?